SwissGear 7366 Luggage Review 2-piece pink set proof. Smooth wheels, big wins. Ever feel stuck before a trip, staring at a half-packed suitcase like it's judging you? Last month, I watched a friend wrestle a wobbly carry-on, then sprint after runaway zippers. Stress level? High. What if packing and rolling felt calm, not chaotic? Tap pause and picture that. What's your biggest luggage headache? Spinners, space, or security? Drop it in the comments. Deadlines don't wait when flights run late. Gates change and your bag fishtails through crowds. You're juggling passes, coffee, and a laptop. Then the zipper snags with a gritty snap. Stress spikes. Imagine switching to gear that glides, organizes, and locks without fuss, so you regain control, not add tasks. Quick check. What chaos derails you most? Packing, rolling, or security lines? Meet the SwissGear 7366 Hardside Expandable Luggage Set, your calm in a crowded terminal upgrade. The ABS hard shell with edges shrugs off bumps, while 360-degree spinner wheels glide like butter, saving shoulders and seconds. The Weekender Tote's wireframe opening, zippered bottom shoe compartment, key hook, and trolley strap turn packing into an organized snap. Need room? Both pieces expand up to 2 inches for souvenir overflow. The push-button telescopic handle and retractable molded lift handles make every grab steady, not jerky. Security? An integrated TSA-approved combination lock keeps agents happy and your gear sealed. Inside, a fully lined layout with divider panels and tie-down straps keeps clothes crisp, and the textured shell helps conceal scuffs. Mini story. A project manager messaged me after she almost missed a client review. She swapped her overstuffed duffel for this 2-piece set, rolled through gates, and delivered on time, breathing again. Backed by a 10-year warranty and 125 years of Swiss precision, this set is built for trips, not showroom floors. Curious which feature would save you first? Wheels, expandability, or organization? Tell me your pick. Efficiency shows up everywhere with SwissGear 7366. Faster airport navigation, calm packing, fewer redos. A travel gear expert called the spinner wheels buttery smooth and praised expansion that's useful, not gimmick. A family travel influencer said the pink set survived the ringer and remained easy to spot while juggling kits. An industry analyst highlights its feature-to-price strength and high satisfaction in the value segment. A frequent flyer reported 15-plus flights with wheels still true and the carry-on fitting overhead every time. Results may vary. From community demos, I've seen the textured shell hide scuff better than glossy rivals, which keeps it looking fresh on the carousel. The expert noted the hard shell shields electronics better than fabric. The influencer loved the divider panels for kid versus parent packing. A business traveler praised a handle that doesn't stick after many trips. Objection check. Worried the TSA lock or expansion adds sus? Setup takes a minute, then it's set and forget. Concerned about switching costs? The 2-piece format covers weekenders to 2-week trips, easing the transition. Backed by a 10-year warranty, it's confidence you can roll with. See why thousands can't stop talking about this. Which benefit matters most to you? Mobility, organization, or durability? Add your vote below. Travel feels better when your gear removes friction. That's the point of SwissGear 7366. Hardside protection, 360-degree spinner wheels, useful expandability, and organized packing that keeps focus on the trip, not the suitcase. Join creators and frequent flyers already using this and seeing real results. Curious? Skim the specs, peek at the Weekender, and decide in minutes. Ready to compare? Tap the link below to check out SwissGear 7366 and see if it fits your travel style. No pressure, just clarity and a closer look at the details.